Alright guys, so today I get to show you how to replace a headlight in a F-250. This works in F-150s, F-250s, F-350s of 92 through 97. As you can see, we turn the headlight on. Only one headlight works. This other headlight does not work, so we gotta dive into that. So what you want to do first, you want to look down in there. There's a little cylinder screw right there, and you just want to stick your hand right on this thing. You want to turn counterclockwise. Which loosens it up. And then once you loosen this up, there's a plug. There's a plug in there. I don't know if you can see it. There's a plug right there. You basically just pull on it. Once you get that cylinder loose, just pull on it. Actually, you can just pull on the whole assembly and it should come off like that. There's your plug. You can pull the cylinder up too at that point, since you can see the way it's designed. It's designed to slide outward, which we just did that. You can see where it's supposed to lock in place. So now that we have this wire out right here, you now have access to the headlight bulb, which you just pull. You can just pull out, give it some nice grip. Little miniature elbow grease, and here is your bulb. Now you can see in the inside, this bulb is definitely bad. You can definitely tell that the bulb's been fried on one end. If you look at the left side of the bulb, you can see it's been fried. You see half of it's missing because it's all down there. You can see it sliding around in there. That's why the bulb's not working. So automatically it's trash. So I turned the flash on you so you can better see what's going on. So this is the plug right here. This is the plug right there. That's what fits in. Now before you replace it, you can blow it if you want, to make sure that the connections are as clear as possible and no dust and debris in there. So the bulb we're replacing is this. It looks like you have to replace the assembly. We already have a pack of bulbs in here, kind of dusty, but they came with the truck, so we'll open those up. All we have to do is just basically do the reverse of what we did before. Now, an important side note, when you replace these lights, you want to make sure that you don't touch the bulb. You don't want to touch the bulb with your skin, because if you do, you could possibly get oils on it and it'll cause your light to burn out faster. So you just want to be careful with that. It shouldn't matter which side goes where, because they both have the same design. It's just a simple bulb. So, you know, both of these probably will fit on either side, either lights. So now we come back in here. Now, of course, this is a little gritty, so we want to clean that off. Now we can insert the bulb in there. So also there's a way you have to put it in too. You see how this bulb kind of has a flat spot on the top with the connector. This flat spot's supposed to be facing up, and you're supposed to align it with these two little cutout marks on the top. This one where the tip of my finger is here, and that one right there. You want to make sure this is lined up in this specific orientation, like this. So it's supposed to go in like this, facing this way, exactly in this direction. You just want to simply slide the light bulb in, facing this way, with these points up here. You see where it's designed. Alright guys, so now we're putting the new bulb in. We did not touch it with our fingers. I'll just slide. Sorry guys, the plug's kind of in the way, but so we want to slide this in there. Notice how the top is lined up, and notice how the flat spot's facing upward, and just push it in and it should go in. Nice, just slides in just like that. So now we kind of move it back and forth, make sure it's in there. It looks like it's in there. Now we take the little cylinder, little screw-on cylinder. We put it back on the plug. So now you want to slide this in there. You want to line the top of this clip with the top of that notch, because that's where it seats on. We got it slipped in there. Now we just gotta hope it stays Just push it in. And there, clicked right in. Tell it's in there because it clicked. Now, be careful pushing on this because these wires here are connected, so you don't want to mess these wires up. But just give it a little nudge, give it a little push. Make sure it's like, and give it a little wiggle. Make sure it's not loose, not coming out. Okay, so now that we can tell it's in there, it's not moving all over the place. We just push this little cylinder up, turn it clockwise, and there we go. Just give it a little few wiggles, make sure it's in there. You have the little security cylinders in place, clips still in there. It's all good. Wire's good. So now we finally finished the headlight. Now it's time to test to see if it works. So turn the headlight on. And now we walk over and see it works. Both headlights now come on. So this goes to show that it's pretty simple if you want to replace your headlight on your 92 to 97 F-150, 250, or 350, or whatever 50 it is. And now you don't have to worry about not seeing. So thank you. Hope this helps. And remember, do what you can. Don't ever give up.